5 kilogram payload robot, and the motion planning for this task is being done on the NVIDIA AGX Orin. You can see on the desk here. And what we're doing is our workpiece is spinning to a random rotation, so all of our capture points are moving every time we need to reach them. We're sending those capture points over to the NVIDIA system, to the QMotion plugin, which does the trajectory planning for us to make sure that we can get to all of these points to do the inspection job without colliding with anything in the environment. So we've also got a digital twin here running in Isaac Sim on the screen here, and you can see the trajectories that the robot is going to take, collision-free to the target positions, being visualized by these red, green, and blue colors on the screen there. And then once we reach the position, we can also run deep learning inspection and detection models, also on the Orin within the NVIDIA ecosystem to do object detection, defect detection, inspection, various different jobs. And what we've done is built like a framework so we can seamlessly integrate all of these tools that are available on the NVIDIA platform with our Polyscope X software that runs on our teach pendant here. So our existing install base of over 75,000 cobots can directly have access to all of the stuff that we get from accelerated computing from supporting all of the NVIDIA tools.
Fantastic.